everyone, welcome back. Enabling biometric login on Barclays app makes accessing your account faster and more secure. First, make sure your fingerprint or Face ID is set up on your phone. Go to the Settings app, search for Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and then make sure the Face ID or fingerprint is set up over here as well. Then open the Barclays app on your phone and log in using your passcode. Go to the settings or security within the app. Confirm your biometric identity when prompted. Once enabled, select the biometric login option and turn it on. Once enabled, you can log in using your fingerprint or Face ID instead of your passcode, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.